Every day, facilities receive and dispatch materials through their gates. But for many organizations, this crucial process still relies on pen, paper, and manual registers. When a supplier arrives, security enters details in register and fills out paper material gate pass. Security personnel records delivery details in a physical register, writing down supplier information, vehicle details, materials description, quantity, and time of entry. The paper pass travels with the materials to the storekeeper, who must approve and sign on the gate pass. Sometimes after waiting due to missing details or miscommunication. Over time, registers fill up and paper passes accumulate. Records get misplaced. Information is hard to retrieve, signatures might be missing, and verifying the movement of material becomes a painful, slow process. This manual, paper-driven process leaves room for human error, delays, and disputes, costing organizations time, money, and peace of mind. Switch to Visitor Flow, a cloud-based material gate pass software. Let's explain you why you should switch to material gate pass software and get rid of manual workflow process. No more lost paperwork or registers. Instant access of material data anywhere. No app required. Enhanced security and fewer disputes. Real-time tracking and reports. Faster, foolproof approvals and movement. Now to further explain you, let's give you a quick live demo in real time.
So in this presentation, I'll be giving you a complete demo how the Material Gate Pass software works. So once you start using the software, you will get a QR code banner which you can place in the near the security or the material gate. So when a material comes, the person who is come for delivery can scan the QR code, or the security person also can scan the QR code and open the material gate pass form. Now you can see this material gate pass form is set into 3 levels. In the first level, we'll capture the general details. So the first step is material direction. Is it inward or an outward? So it's an inward. Department, which department it has to be delivered. So it is stores. This is fully programmable and you can customize these features. Who is the person in the store? Here I am selecting Sonia Thomas, and I am done with the first step. I'll move to the second step. Second step, the system is asking what is the material type. I'll say raw material, finished goods, job work, capital goods, rejected. I'll select raw materials. Maybe this is an IT product, so let's select capital goods. What is the material details? So I may say LED monitor. Then going forward, how much quantity it is, 1 numbers, supplier name, this can be copied from the invoices, supplier email, this is optional. The reason you have to write supplier email is once the material is accepted and approved, a supplier gets a notification also that the material has been received at the buyer end. If you don't want to share this kind of approvals, you can skip adding the email. Invoice number, invoice date, second, amount, what is the amount of the material value of the invoice, say it is 8,950. Delivery person is a person called Rajesh who has come for delivery. Vehicle number, it's optional. This specific fields can be used when the material is coming by truck. You can write the instead of delivery person, you can write the transporter's name. And if you're buying something full truck or something like that, you can add the vehicle number as well. So let's maybe for information, let's write a vehicle number. So I'm done with step 2. I'll click next. So in the last step, which is the third step, the security person at the material gate can also add photos of the material. So let's say in this case, he's taking a snap of this material of the monitor and is able to add the material to the material gate pass. So the files are uploaded. You can upload up to 5 files. That is the 5 images you can take of the material. And once you are done with all the information, you can click submit and the material gate pass will be created. Now this gate pass will be created and the next step will be for the material security team at the gate to view and approve it. Right now it is in pending mode. You can see the process is pending and the material gate pass is already submitted for approval. One copy of this material gate pass will be automatically sent to the stores by email. You can set the rules the way you want. Approval can be given by the store team, then only the material can be taken as inward, or the material security team can also approve it. So in the next video I'll be showing you how further processing happens of this material gate pass. Thank you.
Hello. Now in this video, we will show you what happens once you have filled the material gate pass form and how do you proceed further for approvals, how you can review it. So let's begin with that. So we come to visitorflow.co and we log into the master account with the username and password. So you will come on the dashboard where you can see multiple things. You can see how many total entry of the material was there, how many is pending, how many is approved, and how many is rejected. So this is a quick analytics which you'll get on the screen. So the next step is to go to the material dashboard. Before we go there, all this unit, department, gate, sub-users, staff list, everything can be programmed and can be added. So let's click and go to the material dashboard to see the gate pass which we have created and which is pending approval. So you can see there are a couple of gate pass which is already approved and some two are pending. And on the top of that, you can select the direction inbound or outbound, which type of material you are looking at. So you can filter it. So basically different filters are available here. And so let's open up the gate pass. So this is a master admin account. You can create sub-user from this. That means the security guard user or the store user can be created based on the need. So let's open and view the material gate pass for the LED monitor which we created. By the way, just to let you know, this gate pass can also be edited by the security team if any wrong information has been submitted by the supplier or has been entered by error. So this is the gate pass which we created for our LED monitor, and you can see the photo and everything is been recorded. So this can be approved by the security team or by the storekeeper depending upon how the rules you want to set. So say I approve this on behalf as a security user. So it has been approved. Now the sub material can go to the stores and the storekeeper can take the material as inward. So this can also be printed. This gate pass can also be printed and kept for a physical record if you wish to do that. You can also share it to any of the staff member through WhatsApp. This is what the security team sitting at the gate can share this information fast as possible when required. So now as approval has already happened, you can see from pending the status. If I refresh this page, it will be into approved mode. That means the material has been approved and it is going to the stores for further use and further processing. So a very simple tool. Now once the approval is granted, even the supplier, who if his email is added during the gate pass filling process, you will also get an email notification that the material has been received by the buyer. So you can also download all this reports into Excel sheets. You can also timeline and set a narrow funnel of specific dates you want to get the material gate pass data on. That is possible. So very simple user tool. All the data is centralized in the cloud and very easy to use. In addition to that, we also offer APIs, so which you can integrate to your ERP software platform. This is fully cloud-based platform you can use with multiple units, multiple team members. Audit compliance becomes very easy with the software in place. So you basically get rid of all the manual paper entry which you are currently working with. So we would recommend you to try our software and get an idea about how it works. And if you have any questions, our sales team will be always available to help. Thank you for joining.